Today I'm going to show you how to clean your dirty, gross, corroded wood burning tips and make them look nice and new like these wood burning tips. This is going to work for wire tips or solid tips. This is a nice cleaning cloth that I like to use to get the corrosion off. That is also a cleaning sponge, which is like a very fine sandpaper. This is some other sandpaper I have just attached to a wooden block. And when you're burning, you're going to want to use some sort of wire mesh like the piece I just showed you. And then all you have to do is gently rub your pieces. You don't want to push too hard, especially on wire tips, against whatever cleaning source you've got. Don't get too crazy, like I said. You don't want to push too hard or you're going to damage the wire tips because they are just soldered in place. And if you rub them too crazily, you'll wear down the metal, and you don't want to do that. You don't want to break any of your very delicate tips, like your chisel tips or your flat shader tips. You don't want to push too hard on those and bend them out of shape. That's definitely not what you want. But yeah, you just take a few minutes and you very gently rub them against your cleaning paper, your cleaning source, and then you're going to end up with some really nice, shiny, clean, corroded, non-corroded tips. Nice, clean, shiny, non-corroded tips. Don't those look nice? They really gleam in the light now. And I like to do this before I put my tips away for storage and just regularly to keep them looking nice. Alright, thank you for watching. Click subscribe if you want some more videos about pyrography, about art. I am Beckers. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.